Hello everyone. Chung tini all the Tiprasas who are gathered, all the Tiprasas who are staying in Delhi, most of us have gathered here. Some are not here, but today through this video, we want to send a message to our Devid and all the Tiprasas living in Delhi and in Tripura and all the viewers who are seeing this video. As we know that on 5th of July, Devid has started on his historical foot march to Delhi, not for any political agenda, not for any personal gain, but for our people, for every one of us. So we have been keeping in touch with him, and we have been informed that he'll be in Delhi soon, most probably, if everything goes right, by 8th or 9th of September. He'll be in Delhi. So we want to send a message that whenever he comes to Delhi, we as a Tiprasas who are staying in Delhi will extend our help in whatever way we can, either small or big, any legal clearance, as if we want to book Jantar Mantar for the demonstration, legal process, medical help, or anything that permission that needs to be granted. Because here we have people working in Delhi police, we have advocates here, we have medical team here, doctors who are working. So everyone will be coming together as a whole to support our one common cause. So through this video, this is what we want to send a message to all the viewers seeing this video.
Ani takho sari ora all this kang sai pekha hanggang kai ang sana musung mang kang ka haisi jeni hai Tongnai Tripura ni simi jengjotono saimon tongo da Devid Murasing te bini team jeni warriors ro borong ni sacrifice no jeng asikhe tamon nai bukhaw nangkha jeni ora Tongnai Delhi Tripura sa ngai borong no ora lamsogna ni jeng jaitok laikha jeng koksap laikha tini ni dino hanggang kai ang borong no bo mano kok kesana musunggo da Devid Murasing and bini team no norok kaham kereng phaidi Delhi wo jeng je mansak ora chini Delhi Tripura sa Tongnai ro norok no Choba nai norok ni je legal process khaima jaga wo norok ni NOC nama jaga wo norok ni memorandum rema jaga